blow out the second fuse in the front fuse box. It's the fuse who located in second place, 1, 2, second. And if it's blowing, I'll show you what you need to check. This one is the second fuse, and what you need to check. First you can try to unplug all these things: engine mounting control solenoid. The next one thing is glow plug control module. Next is air mass flow sensor, turbocharger, wastegate, full pressure regulator, and exhaust. And this time the problem is in turbocharger wastegate actuator, and I show you where is the problem. For this BMW the problem is in this wire, and yeah, it was burning and grounded to grounding point on this pipe, the hot pipe. Yeah, client before 2 times changing the turbine, and yep, this one is the problem.